For how to enforce the nation's immigration laws reached the Supreme Court today. Justices heard arguments over a blocked Biden administration policy that would prioritize deportations of people in the country illegally based on who poses the greatest public safety risk. Republican-led states have successfully obtained an order to limit that discretion. Christian Benavides reports from Miami.
The immigration debate made it to the High Court Tuesday at issue whether the Biden administration can set priorities for immigration enforcement and whether states can legally challenge them.
The states lack standing. They argue states can challenge any federal policy that imposes even $1 of indirect harms on their own taxing or spending. That theory has no limiting principle.
A 2021 Homeland Security Department directive paused deportations unless individuals committed acts of terrorism or other threats to public safety. Texas and Louisiana sued the federal government and won a nationwide district order from a Trump-appointed judge to limit immigration officers' discretion over deportations. Tuesday, the states argued they are well within their rights.
As this court has recognized before, the states bear many of the consequences of federal immigration decisions. Those consequences fit comfortably in this court's traditional Article III standing framework.
Justice Elena Kagan warned of a possible legal trend unfolding.
Immigration policy is supposed to be the zenith of federal power, and it's supposed to be the zenith of executive power. And instead, we're creating a system where a combination of states and courts can bring immigration policy to a dead halt.
The immigration issue has long been a matter of resources. There are roughly 11 million people in the U.S. illegally, and DHS has about 6,000 interior enforcement officers.
Administrations since 1976, both Republican and Democratic administrations, have said that this is a long-standing tradition, that given the limited resources, you must give discretion to law enforcement to decide how it's going to expend that.
Chief Justice Roberts and Associate Justice Brett Kavanaugh acknowledged the key argument from the government that Congress has not provided the necessary funding to try to remove every non-citizen. Christian Benavides, CBS News, Miami.